Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a small boat on STORMWORKS in advanced mode. Now it's time to go to the dock. So we're going to go into the building area, and we're going to start building a boat. First what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on the X area over here, so it just goes parallel. Okay, I'm going to make it about that wide. Okay, that should be good. We're just going to go to the selecting area, and we're going to copy this. We're just going to copy it until 5. We're going to go into merge area, and we're just going to connect up everything until it's one solid piece. Then we're going to go back into here, select that. Then we're going to copy it and paste, and then paste, paste, paste. We're going to paste it one more time. And there we go. Then we're going to merge all of them into one. So there you go. It's one solid piece. So I'm just going to make the back like this. Not really going to make the back anything like cool or anything. So we're going to make sure it's like 2 blocks that way. So drag it down, go 2 more blocks, go that way, and build. And there we go. We're just going to keep building here. And at the very front, I'm just going to add a little bit of a sharper edge. Let me just get done with the top part. And there we go, we're finished with the boat's body. I'm probably going to do something like this. It's probably going to be like this wide. And it's going to be like a little area where I'm going to be sleeping and eating and stuff. Now right here I'm just going to take some wedge pieces and just kind of put them in like this. Again and again and one more time. And there we go. Now we're going to get large angled windows, and we're going to paint them black. Make sure they're in a certain direction that you like them in. There we go. Now you're just going to get a narrow window and place it right there in the center. Now I'm going to place some blocks. Right here is going to be a wall to where you're going to have like 2 rooms. This one's going to be the first one, and this one's going to be the second one. So now I'm going to go and get a door. I'm going to go and place the door over here. Make sure the door, like, I'm actually just going to make the wall back 1. I'm just going to add a toggle button on top of the door. Okay, this game is weird. Like a door does not exist. Okay, so I'm just going to add some wedge pieces first. Okay, so I'm going to need a 2-side toggle button. Then we're going to add another door right over here. And this is going to be the bedroom. Where, you know, people are asleep and probably just hang out in there for a little bit. I'm just going to place the rest of this. Definitely not that. Now all I need to do is add all these inverted pieces right here. I'm going to put it as a 2-sided area. Then we're going to add a wedge piece over here. Add the corner pieces. We're just going to add a wedge right over here. Then just going to add the roof. And we're pretty much done with the body of the boat. The only thing I have to do is add this little thing right here. I'll get back to you whenever I get done with this thing right here. So there you go. I'm pretty much done with the boat. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.